Bhaktambar Stotra, Eulogy of Lord Adinatha, verse number 10. नात्यद्भुतं भुवनभूषणभूतनाथ भूतैर्गुणैर्भुवि भवन्तमभिष्टुवन्ताः तुल्या भवन्ति भवतो ननु तेन किं वा भूत्याश्रितं य इहेनात्मसमं करोति. It's God becoming due to devotion. Look at the prose order of verse number 10. Line number 1 contains the words na ati adbhutam bhuvan bhushan bhutnath. Na ati adbhutam bhuvan bhushan bhutnath. Here na that means no, ati it's too much, na not, ati too much, adbhutam wondering it's WR, bhuvan bhushan addressing O, ornament of three words, exclamatory symbol, Bhutnatha. Here Bhut that means living beings or folks, worldly people, and Nath that means the God, or can say Lord, O Lord of living beings. Name of Adinatha is Bhutnath also. Next line contains the words Bhutahi, Gunahi, Bhuvi, Bhavantam, and last one is Abhishtuvantam. Here Bhutai means real, Gudhai by presence, Bhuvi on this earth, Bhavantam that means your, and Abhishtu Vanta it's those who praise. Third line contains the words Tulya Bhavanti Bhavata becomes Bhavato due to Sanskrit Vyakaran. Nanu Ten Kimva. Here Tulya means alike, Bhavanti it's akin to, Bhavata your, Nanu that means for sure, Ten is that master, or can say the one who is rich. Kim, what's the use, and Va that means Athva, or can say that means. Last line it's Bhuti Ashritam Yaha Ihi. I know in words you will find Ya, and here I put Visarga just because of Sanskrit Vyakaran Sutras. Iha na atma samam karoti. Here Bhuti that means wealth, by wealth. Ashritam here, the one who is depend or can say dependent. Yah is who. Ihi, that means in this world. Na atma samam. Na, that means na karoti. The meaning of both the word is doesn't turn or can say doesn't make, and atma samam, here atma samam means equal to himself. Now it's time to discuss about complete meaning of this verse number 10 due to taking the help of chart. Here addressing by words Bhuvan, Bhushan and Bhutnath, that means O ornament of the three worlds, and Bhutnath is the Lord of all the living beings. One side it is Bhavant Mabhistu Vanta, which means the one who praises you. Bhutair Gunair Bhuvi, which means here the one praising you by real praisings on this earth. Bhavataha bhavanti, Bhavataha bhavanti, that means becomes like you. Natyad bhutam, Natyad bhutam, that means it's not that much wondering, or can say not that much biggest surprise package. Other side, taking the example of a person, Yah Ihi Ashritam, the one who is dependent on whom, on one which is wealthy, Bhutya. Next one is Natma Samam Karoti, if that rich person or wealthy person doesn't make that dependent like himself. Nanu Ten Kyuva, so what's the use of that wealthy person? It is concept, and this side it's illustration. Now listen the meaning of verse number 10. O ornaments, now it is singular. O ornament of three worlds, O Lord of living beings, not much wondering in considering fact that your devotees become like you, praising your real attributes. What's the use of becoming wealthy in case that person, that dependent, doesn't turn his dependence as wealthy like him? This is the meaning of verse number 10. Look at the text.